In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an overlay in Canva. First, you will want to open your design. This is the starting point for your overlay process. On your screen, you should see your current project, whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or any other design type. Opening your design allows you to visualize the changes you're about to make. It's like preparing your canvas before you start painting. Take a moment to ensure you have the right design open. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows, so double check that you're ready to proceed. Once that is done, click Elements in the left sidebar. This section is crucial as it houses various tools and graphics that you can incorporate into your design. As you click on Elements, a wide range of shapes, lines, and illustrations will appear. This is where the magic begins. You will be able to search for specific items that can enhance your design. Keep your eyes on the left sidebar. It's essential for finding what you need quickly and effectively. From there, search for square or rectangle and insert one. This action is vital because it allows you to create the base for your overlay. As you type in square or rectangle, you will see options pop up. Click on your preferred shape and it will be added to your design. This rectangle will serve as the overlay that gives depth and focus to your project. You'll notice how easily shapes can be added, making your design process smoother and more intuitive. Next up, resize it to cover your entire page or image. This step is important because it ensures that the overlay fully encompasses your design. Click and drag the corners of the rectangle until it fits perfectly over your background. You should see the shape adjust in real time, which is helpful for visualizing how it will look. Ensuring it covers the whole area helps create a consistent overlay effect, making your design more polished. After that, click the color tile in the top toolbar and choose your desired overlay color. Color choice is essential as it can dramatically change the mood of your design. Selecting a color that complements your content will enhance readability and overall aesthetics. A variety of colors will appear when you click the color tile, so take your time exploring options. This choice brings your personal touch to the design, making it feel more unique and tailored to your needs. At this point, click Transparency, which is the checkerboard icon in the top right toolbar, and lower the opacity. Aim for around 20 to 60% as this range works well for most overlays. Adjusting the transparency is key as it allows your background image or design elements to show through the overlay while still providing a visual effect. You will see the color shift as you adjust the slider, which is satisfying and helps you find the perfect balance. Finally, if needed, right-click the rectangle and select Send Backward or Send to Back so it sits over the image but behind your text. This action is crucial because it ensures that your text remains visible and legible. By sending the overlay back, you keep your design clean and functional. You will see your elements rearrange on the canvas, which confirms that your overlay is positioned correctly. This little step significantly enhances the viewer's experience, ensuring the focus remains on your message. With these steps complete, you have successfully added an overlay in Canva, enhancing your design's visual appeal. This makes sure your changes are saved and your project is ready for the next steps. Enjoy designing with confidence.